Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing something, it's pretty warm and it was requested by my mom. But yeah, it's a warm fall look. I'd say perfect for fall, like perfect. So if you want to see how I will be doing this, just keep on watching. I think I'll start off with brows as usual, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. And I think I'll be doing my face next. I don't know, that's just what we're going with today. So I will be starting by priming my face using the Pore Minimizing Photo Finish Primer or whatever from Smashbox. It's just a little sample, but I don't like it. I am too dry to wear these kinds of primers, so it just fucks it all up. Anywho, I'll just leave that on there because I'm too lazy to take it off. But for foundation, we are going in with the Coverage Foundation by The Ordinary. Like so. And for concealer, I am using the Milessis Active Highlight from Emite Makeup. I will also be using this as an eyeshadow primer. And for powder, I think I'll be going in with the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder today. I don't know why. I kind of want to put it on with my... Oopsie daisy. This. I will also be going over my face with a brush, but no product, just to brush away the excess. And I will be setting my brows in place, I think, already. So I'm going in with the Brow Tamer from Pixi by Petra. I think I'll be starting my eyes now, and today I am using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I'll be starting by going in with Burnt Orange, and I will be putting this all around, well, all up in my crease. I think now I'll be going in with the color Realgar. What the fuck is it? Oh, it looks so orange on camera. Oh, anyways. And I will be putting this like tighter in my crease. I think now I will be going in with the color Raw Sienna, which is this one, and I will be putting this all over my lid, I think. And now I'm going back in with the brush I applied Burnt Orange with, and I'm just running it through my crease. And for the outer corner, I think I'll be going in with a little bit of Cypress Umber, which is this dark brown. And for the inner corner, I will be putting a bit of Primavera, which is a golden color. And next I'll be going in with eyeliner, so I'm using the Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner from Maybelline. Pretty shitty, but that's okay. And for my upper waterline, I will be going in with a black inliner from färg. For mascara, I am going in with the Emotion Allowed mascara from Icona Milano. Just gonna start by putting it on my upper lashes. There we go, and let's move on to lower lash line. So I will be starting, I think, by going back in with Cypress Umber, this one, and putting it below my lower lash line. Trying to put this as tightly up there as possible. Because now we're going back in with burnt orange and we are smoking out the lower lash line. Something like that. And I think for my lower waterline, I think I'm going to go in with the Midnight Kit from Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will be going in with the Aueva Flash Crayon. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's this metallic brownish color. And now I'm going back in with the mascara and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. And I think I'm gonna save lashes for last. So now I will be doing the rest of my face. So I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And for my shading, I will be using the colors Cigar and Swicky. And for my nose, I'll be using Maffei. There we go. And for blush, I'm going in with Andromeda. And for highlight, I think I'll be going in with Virgio or Virgio, I don't know how to pronounce it. Like so. And for lips, I think I'm going to go in with a red. So I'm using the color Sherry Skies. And this is the Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick from NYX. Something like that. I will fix it up a little bit, I think. But for lashes, I will be using the Famous Lashes by Rebecca Stella Makeup. So I will be putting those on and fixing my lips and maybe changing into something else. And I will be right back with the finished results. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Like I said, it's very appropriate for fall or even winter that's coming. But yeah, just a very warm, autumny look. I don't know, but anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about this video or what you want to see in maybe the next one. And yeah, so I will see you in my next video. Bye!